Hi, I'm Dan McGraw with Hope Industrial Systems. We're here at the IPE 2011 trade show, and today I'm going to give you a quick demo of our three types of keyboard designs. First of all, we have our monitor-mounted keyboard like you see here. We also have a line of panel-mounted keyboards designed to be dropped right into your own panel. And then finally, we have a line of benchtop keyboards. These can go pretty much anywhere. So let's zoom in and take a closer look. Okay, so first let's take a look at our monitor-mounted line of keyboards. All the units in this line mount directly to the bottom of one of our universal mount monitors. I don't think you can see it, but there's a 4-bolt pattern on the bottom. This 4-bolt pattern is included on every universal mount monitor we sell, so they can all work with one of these keyboards. Another feature of this line is that all cables are mounted through the bottom of the keyboard and up through the bottom of the display, so that there are actually no exposed cables in between the keyboard and the monitor. Everything in this case passes through this conduit cable exit, so there's nothing exposed to be snagged or caught or otherwise damaged. Now, our monitor-mounted line of keyboards are available with two different keypad options. First of all, you have our full travel keypad you see here. Basically, this uses a silicon overlay over an individual key switch with a very long travel key. This gives you a typing experience not unlike using a desktop. This unit also has an integrated pointing device, which is a button pointer. This is not unlike a pointing stick on a laptop, but has a little bit more travel to sort of give you a better feel and able to use with a pair of gloves on. The other keypad option for our monitor-mounted keyboards is this short travel keypad. Now, in some applications, a perfectly flat typing surface is required, and this is our answer. Now, membrane keyboards, of course, are notorious for being very hard to type on, but our solution takes care of that to some degree. First of all, instead of using just a simple domed metal key switch, which would usually be soldered onto a circuit board, we use an individual key switch, which is on a circuit board underneath a aluminum layer, which is actually cut out for each individual key switch. What this means is you get a very positive tactile feedback and a firm click when each key is pressed. To help your fingers center on the keys, we also have embossing around each key, which just gives a little bit more feel. Now, it's not quite as good of a typing experience as this, but when you need a perfectly flat surface, this is one of the best options out there. I should also mention before moving on that all of our monitor-mounted keyboards are full classes 1, 2, and 3 Division II certified. This means that mated with one of our universal mount monitors and a pedestal and arm mount or yoke mount like you see here, this gives you a full HAZLOck solution. So let's take a look at our panel-mounted keyboards. Okay, for our panel mount line of keyboards, we have two different options, and both of these use the same full travel keypad design we just talked about. First of all, we call this our 45-degree design. This unit is designed to be mounted directly to a vertical surface, be it a panel, wall, anything of that sort. And this gives you, along with one of our panel mount monitors, a very low-cost, simple way to do a full NEMA 4X certified workstation. We also have what we call our 90-degree design. And very simple design, cut a single square hole in your panel, drop this in and it bolts up from the back. This could be used generally in a slanted workstation. You could also mount this vertically in a wall. I've seen this done when a very low profile workstation was needed, along with one of our panel mount monitors. Also a very popular product. So finally, let's take a look at our benchtop keyboards. Okay, for situations where you just need a keyboard that can go pretty much anywhere, we have our desktop line, benchtop line of products. Now, these are available in a full NEMA 4X certified stainless steel model like you see here, or we have a also NEMA 4X certified black polycarbonate model. The polycarbonate is of course also NEMA 4X certified. It's just a bit lighter and carries a somewhat lower price tag. For light industrial applications, we also have our NEMA 2 keyboard. This is basically just like a desktop keyboard, but it has an integrated capacitive touchpad. And while it's not totally attached right now, we also ship all of these with a flexible plastic cover. This gives this unit an extra degree of protection against falling debris or water. Now, you can use any of these benchtop keyboards by themselves, of course, or you can use them with our keyboard tray. Very simple product here. It bolts to any of our universal mount monitors using the same bolt pattern that our monitor mounted keyboards use. And you can use this with any of our products or any third-party keyboard. You can see that the ends are open, so if you have a really wide keyboard like a stock Dell or anything like that, you can attach that directly. So that concludes our virtual trade show demonstration of our line of industrial keyboards. Check back soon. We'll be posting other reviews and demos of other products in coming weeks and months. And thanks for watching.